The European Eco-Village Conference is an amazing opportunity for us to come together as change makers working to create a future of solidarity, resilience, and hope. Meeting face-to-face is vital to creating the heart-centered relationships needed to sustain our work and ourselves. And it's important to recognize that our traveling to and from Ansbach will emit many tons of carbon pollution and contribute to global warming, likely the greatest threat humans have ever faced. Best estimates are that every ton of CO2 will result in about €40 of damages through rising sea level, extreme weather events, declining agriculture, and more. Some estimate it'll be much more. And of course, there are things like species extinctions that are beyond price. I do believe our gathering will have a net positive impact on the planet. But let's also walk our talk and measure the carbon footprint of our travel and account for the externalized costs in ways that can further support the local solutions to global warming happening at Ansbach. Earthdeeds calls this onsetting, and it's not the same as carbon offsetting. I won't go into the differences here, but if you're interested, I encourage you to watch this 5-minute video and contact me if you have any questions. Okay, here's how it works. It's all very easy, only take a few minutes of your time. First, you go to our team page and you click the Onset Emissions Now button, which will take you to our custom calculator. And then you can input your flights, ground transportation, and accommodations to estimate your emissions. For example, my trip from Boston to Oslo with some ground travel and accommodation will emit just over 3 metric tons of CO2. And then you can scroll down to learn what this means in real-world terms. So 3 metric tons is about the same as 33,000 hours of watching TV, or the average annual emissions of someone living in North Korea. And in this way, Earthdeeds is trying to help us build a new language, a new vocabulary around our environmental impacts, so we can make more informed choices in the world. And you can then see an estimate of the social cost, the anticipated economic damages of these emissions, which is important for us to know. And then donate what you can to help manifest sustainability projects at Ansbach, such as reforestation, compost toilets, and eco-village education programs. Earthdeeds retains 15% of donations, which is what allows us to further develop these tools and help other groups and organizations become more carbon conscious. You can also share the project page with others and crowdfund additional contributions to account for any remaining emissions that you're not able to pay for yourself. So say I was only able to contribute $25 of the estimated $125 cost of my emissions. Well, I can then try to raise $100 to further support my project and fully account for the social costs of my travel. So I'm excited to bring Onsetting to the European Eco-Village Conference because so much of our work is in creating new paradigms around how we can live in harmony with each other and the planet. Our big solution is supporting the thousands, the millions of small solutions, people and projects working now for a sustainable planet. So let's work together to further support the work we're so passionate about and manifest the change we wish to see in the world. Thank you.